Welcome to the Kuya Bands Podcast.
Hi guys, welcome back to this week's episode of the Kuya Benz Podcast, your favorite Bisaya podcast. How are you all guys doing? I hope na okay ra mo diha. Dugi-dugay na kita no, wala nakita kay daghan lang mga gikabisihan lately no. So, yeah, we're here right now. No, we're here right now sa very nice place diri sa Cebu, no, sa mga kabalo. You know kung asa ni. Kami sa Busay karon guys.
If you know, you know.
And I am joined here today by di siya close friend, game no siya friend. Ako siyang kanang close family na been considered na kun na kanang brother for life ba, ano? So, help me welcome guys sa podcast guys, si Gab.
Hello guys, Gab here. What's up everybody? Hope
Paano siya
you're all good.
kanang sana unofficial na ano ba? Eh ganahan mo kunay co-host ani na show ba niya. Ako siyang gina-invite dugay na
Tawad na dyan guys.
Oh,
Like,
na
it's been a long time coming.
Kaso kuan man siya, nonchalant man siya. So, dili siya kana.
Yes. Kami ra shy mo guys,
shy.
but pagbigyan, syempre.
But first of all, dong kuan. Musta man imong life lately? Unsa man imong mga ganap? Unsa man mga
Life's been good.
hmm,
It's been a roller coaster, I would
Roller coaster,
say.
no?
Right? It's always a roller coaster. This past few months, daghan did happen with
ah,
I would say with the career
Career.
and personal side, but I've been coping up with it. It's been good. I'm seeing the silver lining in things. Good. Mura
bitaw
dyan
na,
ako ang
bitaw.
I just take every day lang good na blessing gyapon siya regardless of what happens. So
Mm.
I'm doing good.
That's good. That's good to know. That's good to know. No? Especially sa imo na I've been ay kanang dugay na kata kuyog ba, di ba?
Yeah.
So I know what your struggles, you know my struggles, ana. So kana siya. So guys, ganahan lang pud ko murag I mean, we're having this episode today no kay we're special pud siya kay sa first time na amis outdoor.
Yeah, yeah.
We're trying to
Something different.
Something different no.
Yeah.
So let me know in the comments if kanang nice ni siya na set up na mag-interview ko or kanang story ako outside sa ako ang home studio ba no.
Guys,
So-
i-W sa ko kung good ko na co-host ha.
W na siya kay
W,
soon
guys.
mag-invite may guest na kami tulo
yes.
or kinsa ba na guest na pwede na
True.
ma-invite no ba. Ano siya so kuan lang ko kanang ko mo share daghang yung happenings lately no mga 1 month ago ka upload. I think mga one more or less 1 month.
Taon na
ago.
jud guys.
Hmm.
Ang Kuya Ben's podcast waka upload murag daghan na kay nagpaabot ani
Daghang kina-happen sa akong life lately, especially very positive na happen sa akong life.
Yeah, right.
Kada i-announce pala ko kan.
Di na to ni Gate.
Di na gatekeep, bawal na mag-gatekeep.
Bawal mo
guys.
Okay.
I've met someone no, na very special and yeah, kanang murag lang po ko ganahan lang ay kanang take time sad ko ba no, to get to know the person and yeah, that's what mainly na busy jud ko
Yeah.
and same time busy po ko with work and other stuff, especially freelance stuff na ko mga ginapangbuhat no. So but right now nakaligar naman mi nakaari mi diri karon sa Busay
Right.
no. Nindot kay ang weather karon medyo gloomy.
Gloomy guys.
Kay-
Yeah.
Murag napamanta sa season of the Philippines karon na kanang init, na bugnaw, na
In
init
between guys, murag,
between.
di ba lately siligig ulan unya man taon-taon mo init na sad. So
Mao jud. So nami na season karon. So medyo gloomy kay nag-fog pa diri no. Nice kay. So kana lang murag lately lang po no naka-experience ako bag kuan. Murag ganahan po kusturaan na to. Basi nakasuway sad ka or siguro sa some of the viewers pa is kanang na face sa ilang life. So have you ever been in a situation or have you ever experienced what we call kanang quarter life crisis?
uy.
So ay gana
Oo.
quarter life crisis ba
Quarter
kanang?
life. Murag, yeah, I think I've went through quite quarter life
Oh,
crisis.
sa mga wakabaw ba unsay quarter life crisis no, it's like it happens during your
Yeah.
mid to late 20s which is napataan na bracket dili mi
Yes,
musulti pila edad na mo
Ayun, guys.
pero dapat na bracket no. So kana and then ako lang siyang ako actually nag-research pug ko unsa na siya aba unsay kanang definition ba para at least to enlighten lang our viewers ba kay basi ikaw na naminaw diha karon napod ka na
Yes, makarelate ka guys.
na-
Basin, na situation
Mm.
or na phase sa imong life.
bitaw.
So,
So, a quarter life crisis ba daw is like a period of uncertainty and stress. And mura kag nasa part pa ka, naga-soul search pa ka ba? Kanang you're trying to figure out who you are as a person or what do you want to do in your life, no? And kuan sad, others this period is sometimes marked by feelings of uncertainty. They might find themselves questioning their choices and identify og unsa gid ilang ganahan ba. Pa sila kasabot pa pud ba. Mas kasi naman gid siguro tanay time sa tong life no na kasuway taan na no.
Oo, I think di dyan na siya mawa na ang uncertainty.
Kanang feeling anxious ka always ana to.
Wa ka kabalo unsay sakto ba ni or dili. So
Okay. I don't know if na discuss pa na ko sa akong mga previous na episode. Nato yung episode ito na kanang murag you're feeling na stuck ka sa imong life ba and you don't know where you're going.
yeah.
Kanang everyday murag mo live by lang ka just to live by but you don't really know what do you want to do gid ba. Di ba?
So figuring out
Stage kay ka always ba din. Kada bitaw murag na kay gusto buhaton. Yeah, the more you do it, the more nakadugay, the more pag ka mag-question ba na sakto ba kani akong gibuhat or is this really the life or the direction I want to go?
Yeah.
Ano, di ba? So, mo po na siya kung na-experience po. As of late po actually, naagyapon ta na di man ta perfect na tao, no? Naman tay mga jud challenges gina-face every day.
Yes, every day. I think everyone jud goes through challenges no matter the age or like imong estado sa buhay ba na
That's
bisag
true.
unsa pa jud na naadjud tay challenges. So, yeah.
So, kani ato lang pong i-discuss no kana mga common na challenges no during this period of your life no. So, first ako na research lang po. Usually one thing na one thing na mo happen ani na stage kay if dissatisfied ka sa imong current na sa trabaho or ginabuhat as your way of living or kanang panginabuhi nimo ba. So nakasuway ba ka sa kadugay na to na trabaho no? Naman gid tay mga times na dissatisfied na kay ko sa kong trabaho na I really want to explore if napa ba ko'y pwede mabuhat on the other side ba, no?
Yeah, I think I would say recently Jud, I've been through job dissatisfaction. And I would say di gini siya good guys abat. Like I would say that I was doing it just for the paycheck.
Paycheck lang.
Which
Living
is-
by paycheck to paycheck lang
Na
gid ka.
kana jud guys, like I didn't feel any fulfillment and murag dili na siya rewarding as I thought it would be. So murag kana and then akong gi-question nga is this still for me? Because I would like to think that blessing to siya when it came and di ko ganahan na masayang siya ba. So you're in that dilemma of is it
Leave ka or
still
delay?
for me or is this a sign na I should do something else?
That's true,
Kana.
that's true.
Murag-
Mabitaw,
Very hard
Stuck ba
question.
yun dyan siya?
Yes. Yan.
kanang murag mahog ka na,
Mm.
no choice ka.
Okay.
Ano bitaw?
Di masad ka ganahan good na mukha ni mong gipangayo before and then when abot na siya and then it's not everything you thought it would be, mudili na ka.
Mojud.
Murag, but at the same time, murag, di mo jud para ako. Di mo jud ko satisfied or di ko fulfilled or it's not something I'm passionate about. So, libog jud siya guys.
Libog siya na ano.
And you have to still do it. Murag mo jud na siya ang important.
Mogid. Ako pagkasuway sa kuana sa kadugay na ako nag-work no. Namagay mga instances na dissatisfied kita sa tong job but still you have to live in the reality na we have to face what's there, di ba na
Natay
regardless na bills to pay it's like kanang
guys.
dilemma jud kay siya na you have bills to pay and you don't want to take the risk ba. Ano to siya?
Kay ang common jud sa tao guys no na ganahan jud daon say comfortable
Mogid,
and
mogid
sure right then like certain muna na di na lang taga mo try something else di ta mo kuan so kana I think risk gid ang a lot of things.
Kana siya. So aside from that, aside sa dili kay ka satisfied sa imong job, other thing po na mo happen ani na time, no? Kay kana pong kanang nakay problema sa imong relationship which is ako kay Murag wala pa ko na face or
honeymoon stage.
honeymoon stage pa ko in a way pero okay ra man gyapon it's part man gyapon no na dili man na siya there's no perfect relationship
Yeah,
man.
I would say
But
there's-
kanang ibang tao ba na kanang murag crisis pud sila sa ilang relationship na mapud sila kabaw at least for other people and not for us no siguro at least for us not for us but for some of you siguro na naka-experience na wa ka kabaon sa direction sa imong relationship pud karon ba if is it
Yeah.
something na for now lang or
or yeah
you would take it kanang
I
murag
think
kanang seriously in the future gid ba na kamo na jud ba mga ina na bitaw
Namguban nga they're doing it for the now.
Daon sa?
They're
The
doing
now,
it for
eh,
the
the
now.
now.
Like they want to experience what it is to be in a relationship.
Mao gid.
And they're not looking forward that they're not looking for a partner for life. You would hope that they are.
Yeah, of course.
Nadyo tao uban yun na still in that exploring stage.
Mao.
So, but grabe no sa ako char. Kanang murag I would say that we are in the right track. I guess for me.
Yeah,
and
blessed
the
ko.
partner.
Blessed ko
Yes,
ana na part
kayo.
bitaw jud na
I
to.
think I'm very
know.
lucky to have a partner who supports me in whatever it is I do and tells me if dili ni sakto akong gibuhat and dili ni mo ang direction para
So,
sa mo.
lindot po siya as kwan mura siya mahug na accountability partner nimo ba?
Oo.
Okay,
Kaayo.
mamaguni kanang kanang lindot ba pag nakainana na
Um,
partner na would tell you if it's the right thing to do or somewhat reassure nimo ba if you're doing something that you really want, ma-reassure ka ba na kaya na nimo or ano na bitaw. So, partly ana sa akong na experience before kanang especially pag magbuwag ka na mag-crisis jud kay kana na anong gibuwagan magwato niya oy di ba na okay man ta kay me na suddenly na
Nawala na dayon.
nawala ang fire and what not kana. So aside ana kani pong part to life crisis pod ari po na to ma-experience ang kini mainly gid ni dako kay siya na kanang common ni siya na issue pod kanang financial problems.
Na.
Wala
Guys.
siguro tao na wala
I mean,
so ana
blessed na jud kay mo diha kung
wala ka na
wala ka na but I think majority na jud na.
Tinog. Okay. Kuan man good, ma-feel anxious ta always ba na unsaon ka na to ni pag-keep up sa atong bills, sa
Right.
atong investment, sa atong ni purchase, may na bitaw or sometimes man good maka ma-neglect na to ang fact ba na kailangan gyapon na to i-face head on na siya ba na naagid na siya dili na mawala.
Oo, di
ba?
jud siya mawala.
Di siya mawala. Kana financial problems guys. And siguro lastly lang pud kanang mga ani na face pud sa atong life guys, di ata maka get og mga new responsibilities na wala siya sa ato before.
Right.
Sa dinlim naa na ba? Like siguro sa una gapuyo ka under the roof of your mom and your
Kana,
parents.
guys.
And suddenly kanyang grow up ka ba?
And you moved out.
Move out
like,
with
you
your
try your
home.
own. And like,
Ano siya?
grabe jud guys, the bills, mga responsibilities like to pay the bills, to
To buy this and
Buy
that, kung
food,
guba,
ana.
buy ka pagkaon, tanan. Or new responsibilities pa diha pud ka sometimes ma-feel kanang somewhat ma-stress ka
Oo.
or kanang mo sa man ako ni ko sample like guba, stress ko. Saan man ako ni.
Kayo jud like, kanang, kinsa man akong tawagan, kay wala naman ko'y kataba, wala ko'y, example like, hindi pa mo understand yung parents reflect, wala naman ko'y mama na maingnan na, unsaon ni.
That's
So,
true, that's
like,
true. So ikaw
you
yung
have to
kailangan
do
mo
it
figure out.
yourself.
Yeah.
You have to do it yourself jud.
You need to solve your own problems na. Ano ba? So those are some of the mga things or challenges na you would encounter during this period. But for us to able to for me kanang para ma-able lang nato siya maka-cope up ta sa challenge ba. Dili
Yeah.
magid siya mawala guys. Dili magid nato siya maiwasan
Yeah.
bisag unsa pa natog kanang neglect sa fact na naagi na siya ba.
Nadyo siya in life.
Naagi siya. So first thing you could do siguro for me mo self-reflect ka, murag imong tan-awon ba unsay gina-face mo karon. Is para for me man good more siya the better you know the problem, the better you know how to solve the
Okay,
problem.
right,
Ana ba?
right.
So, sa first siguro mo try tag self-reflect na unsa man ako mga gina-face.
Do you think
karon.
it's helpful na to ask somebody else?
Of course pod. Pwede pod ka maka-ask og someone as long as na kanang open ka na, open imong self ba na.
Because I think magod na we go through different paths.
Mm.
So what unsa man gayon challenges na iyang giatubang maybe different from mine. So but there's like similarities lang siguro a bit, but wala joy no same person goes exactly the same thing.
That's
So,
true.
I think it's still valuable, but I yeah.
Let's go. And another thing siguro pod kanang para maka-cope up ta ni na mo let go kasi mga expectations sa lain tao
Yeah.
na
You know.
kanang sapol manggod
I
mapil
think-
anxious biya ita di ba na kanang sapol ako kanang bright kay ko sample lang nga di ko bright sa pag ilan ako kanang sakto lang ba
Sakto lang.
pero kanang I mean kanang lo mag-load di siya or something na
Oo.
kanang gi-expect gyud siya ba na siya gyud excel sa ilahang batch or sa ilang
Pressure.
family ang grabe ang pressure
Yeah.
ana ba and expectations
Hindi
sa
ma-lift
tao ba?
up, no?
Hindi ma-lift up sa kano so let's say nakakani na stage na gitry pa nimo figure out how were you able to kanang break through ba di ba lisod biya kay na siya
Lisod
na
kayo.
face na kana so siguro kailangan lang ta mo let go sa expectations sa ibang tao and you just have to focus on yourself na
Yeah.
kanang ma-figure out ra gyud na nimo eventually.
Yeah, and I think sad guys, when you are able to do that, you are able to not mind what people are expecting of you or thinking of you. I think you gain one superpower there because like gaan kay siya sa feeling na dili ka mag kuan kung unsay githink sa tao ba or unsay lang
That's true.
gina-expect sa imo.
Mas kuan ka kanang carefree ka.
Kayo,
in a way.
jud like you just be who you are lang jud.
That's true. That's
Mura
true.
jud.
Mo to akong kato sa akong kuan. Let them ra jud.
Let
Let them ra jud, di ba? Akong last akong giingon. And kanang in conjunction ana, murag dapat pud ta mo avoid or mo kanang ato iwasan mag-compare sa other person or other people na
yeah.
kung unsa man na iyang na-achieve na karon or unsa man na iyang naa sa iyang life karon, especially kanang mga material things or somewhat inana or kanang titles,
Yeah.
dili na mo i-compare mo self ba kay ilaha man ang own na
Yeah,
Wala
you
pang
don't
gingon.
know as well what they did to get them,
Yeah.
to get
And
those things. So, I think I heard this from one of the podcasts that I also watch from Tito Mikey. If you know, guys, if you know, you know. Inggit is essential yun. But not in a way that gusto na ko makuha kung sayang na yan. Gusto po ko na ato, but in my own way. So like,
yeah.
dili lang siguro i-compare yourself, but if you are looking towards getting it as well, you have to work for it.
Yeah. Tino. Di lang nimo i-let na ma-consume ka ana.
Yeah, right. You know, if it happens, it happens.
Okay, di ba atong nastoryahan ganun? Atong nastoryahan ni anak ko or anak ko nimo na. Kanang natin own natong timelines ba?
Yeah.
We live on our own timelines. Dili na nato i-rush ang process. We just have to trust the process
Yeah,
and
trust lang yun.
do the thing na or I mean do everything that you can today and
Yeah.
you just take the next step every single day. Mo na akong try live up karon. As long as you can see that your next step is
Yeah.
go for
I think
it.
that's
Ano
a
ba?
great advice. I think I would say na good kina siya na
Okay, sometimes man good pag dako kayo ang problema or dako kayo ang hill to climb ba. Overwhelm man tayo, that's too much ba. So for us to be able to
Yeah, like,
kanang murag sana kanang climb that mountain, you just have to see
the next step.
the next
Yeah,
step. Murag
the next
ginay
step.
murag
Murag
ginay
ginang
mong i-try
important,
kanang
guys.
ano ba na
Ang next step dyan.
mm,
It's not like kung unsa siya kalayo. Because eventually you will get there.
yeah, we'll get there.
You will get
That's
there.
true. And lastly, maybe kanang give yourself permission to be undecided pud sometimes and to accept na change is also essential.
Yeah.
Kung let's say example you're doing a thing na wala jud na happen sa imuha ba or kanang wala jud ka na progress ana na field or what, just try to be open to change.
Yeah.
Or try to di man change sa imuhang job or what, you're trying to change yourself for the better.
Yeah.
Di ba?
I
Kaya
think
naman
so.
tayong mga attitudes, and naman tayong mga
Yeah.
sana, mga kinaiya na di yun makahelp sa to eventually ba?
So,
No.
I think kailangan din na to siya sometimes i-outgrow those things. I think that's growth mo na
Growth good,
guys.
yeah, di ba?
You outgrow those things na it doesn't help you anymore.
That's true. Okay. Kung, alam mo na, kanang insanity for me is like, kanang you're doing the
The
same
same
thing
thing
every day, but you
And
expect a
expecting
different
the same result,
or
right?
same result.
Yeah.
Same result.
Yeah.
I mean, different result
Different
ba?
result.
Different
dapat.
result.
Muna siya insanity.
Let me rephrase. Kanang if may expect ka ang isa ka butang na ginabuhat nimo balik-balik every single day and you expect a different result, insanity na siya.
Oh,
Di ba?
okay.
Kailangan
Same ra gud mo. So same ra sa
same ang results, di ba? Walay
Yeah,
changes.
I think
So kana lang guys, no, more very short ra ba ito ni na
yeah.
episode na
Wait,
kanang
one
kuan
pa
lang sa.
One more advice, guys. I think this is important. I would say it's the very very important. You have to talk to God. Jud.
Kana jud.
Find time to talk to God and give it all to Him. Jud.
Yeah.
He may not respond in a way that you would think, but I know we all know that He's listening, and in His time, in His perfect time, Jud, I would say you will get the answers.
Yeah.
So I think doesn't necessarily go to church or magnagkot ka everywhere. God is present in everywhere. And you can talk to Him anytime as long as sincere lang gid ang nasa imo heart. So cause like if na siya sa imong luyo, then everything else will fall into place.
That's true.
Mo dyan na siya ako.
Actually, very very quick episode lang gid kay
Yeah.
no kay kung ganahan na pud ko like come back sa social media na exist pa ko guys.
We're still here
But then guys, seriously, ganahan ko makabaw sa inyong feedback
Yeah.
if kanang okay na siya na kind of setup na napugo sa outside no kay maganahan sad ko ani na
Yeah, first time ni guys. If kita mo sa tanan episodes of Kuya Benz, he's never done outside.
Oh, mo to ko gingon lagi
Setting.
wala ko sa outside ba.
So, we're happy that we were able to do it
Actually,
in...
very cringy kay karon kay tanaw na mo mga tao pero wala na lang. Karon sa gilid.
Pero kaya na sila guys, maka-learn na sila. But like, nice kayo mong view.
Nice game view.
The scene is great. If you know, you know guys, kung mabaw mo asa ni, try dyan mo diri kay. Good sa
Time diri, ano kay pagkaon diri pod. So anyways guys, kanang na last kon lang. So, you wanna say a thing before we can wrap up the episode?
Yeah, I think just enjoy life wherever you are now and just take it one step at a time.
Mo to kung ingon game ba? As long as you can see your next step, just go for it. And ay lang kayo overthink ang mga butang. And as he said, talk to God. Buhat tayo mong pwede mabuhat din. Yeah, let God do the rest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
So guys, sa mga kung follow nyo si Gab sa yung socials, kung siya socials.
Wala ko socials, guys.
Okay,
I'm a
low-key
very
lagi dyan.
low-key, private,
So yeah,
nonchalant
let me know
person.
about the episode. What do you think about the episode? If you think this episode could or na kayo nakatunan ng episode, might as well share to us friend, share to a loved one na might need this one to hear this one or just very quick episode lang, and I hope na we see you guys all in the next show. And yeah, as always, I always say, guys, don't forget to tell somebody that you love them. We'll catch you on the next episode. See you guys so soon, and yeah, take care. Peace.
Nice one.